Hi, kids. My name is Wendell.
And I'm Al.
Most of the time, we're hard at work doing TV commercials for Lazy Boy.
That's right, and I'm the star.
Ha! Are not.
I am too.
Oh, never mind. We've got something more important to talk about.
That's right. Today, Lazy Boy has asked us to talk to all of you about something very important.
How to slide down a slide.
No, Wendell. Today, we're going to help the kids learn how to keep themselves safe.
Oh, yeah, I forgot.
You see, we've got some friends inside the school right here behind us who are really smart.
They're going to teach you how to be safe, so listen carefully while I teach Al here how to slide.
Oh, no way, man. I'm a great slider.
Oh, yeah, sure. I'm way better than you.
Raise your hand if you think you know the answer to this question. Who is the one person who keeps you safe?
Me?
That's right, it's you. It's up to you to protect yourselves. And there are all sorts of things that you need to remember that can help. To keep yourself safe, you need to think and make good choices. Let's look at a few examples.
Thank goodness I found you. Your mom's been in an accident and your dad told me to pick you up. I need to take you to the hospital to see her. We need to hurry. Come on, get in.
What would you do if you were in this situation? Should you get into this person's car?
Did my dad tell you the code word?
It's cat.
That's not it. That's not the code.
Okay, so the code word is creepy critters. Remember, if someone says that they've been sent by your mother or me, you must always ask them if they know what the code is.
So, what's the code word?
Creepy critters!
So, Al, what's your special code word?
Lazy Boy, of course.
Remember, kids, know your own special code word.
Right, and never go with a stranger unless they know the code.
This next situation is kind of tricky, so watch very closely.
Excuse me, young man. Do you like pizza?
Yeah.
Well, I'm making a pizza commercial. You'd be great in it. Here's my business card. It'd be really fun, and you can make a lot of money. How about if I take you over here and just take a few pictures of you? It'll only take a few minutes. I'll give you a free CD for your trouble. Your folks will be so proud of you when they see you on television.
Does going with this person seem like a good idea?
No thanks. I need to let my parents know what I'm doing.
Remember, never accept anything from a person that you don't know. Not rides, not gifts, nothing. And always talk things over with your parents.
So remember,
Don't take anything from someone you don't know.
you get away fast, like really fast.
And yell and tell.
Now, here's some more important things to know.
Remember, help yourself. Be safe. Are you ready for another one?
Yes!
What would you do if this happened to you?
Excuse me, I'm lost. Could you help me?
I don't know.
I'm trying to find a street nearby to pick up my little girl. Could you help me?
What street is it?
It's right here on this paper, but I can't read it very well. You look like a smart girl. Maybe you could get into my car and show me how to get there? I'd really appreciate it.
If you need help, you should ask a grown-up to help you.
Good advice. Grown-ups should help grown-ups. And don't be afraid to yell to attract attention.
Make sure to stay with your friends. Wendell and I always stick together.
And never take shortcuts.
Right.
There are other times when you might not feel safe. Have you ever been told that your body belongs to you? It does. You are in charge of your body. No one has the right to hurt you or touch you in a secret way. Sometimes it's hard to know what to do if this were to happen to you. Let's see how these kids help themselves be safe.
Lisa, you've been awfully quiet lately. What's the matter?
Nothing.
How come you won't tell us, Lisa? We're your friends. We can help.
No, you can't. It's a secret.
Please, Lisa, you can tell us.
It's my uncle. We do secret things.
What do you mean?
I was his favorite, and he would take me places, and he would hug me.
Then what?
He says I mustn't tell.
Tell what? What are you doing?
He touches me in special ways.
Lisa, come here. Who's my favorite girl?
It's me, right?
That's right. Are we gonna play our special game tonight?
Mom
You
says...
mustn't tell anyone our secret. You could cause a lot of problems. It's our secret. It's our secret.
Lisa, my mom says that secret touching isn't okay for kids. Your parents love you. You just need to tell them what happened.
They'll be angry. My uncle said so. He said it's my fault.
No, it's not. He's bigger than you. He shouldn't be doing that. No one should ever touch you in a secret way. Remember, Lisa, tell him to stop and tell your mom and dad. They need to know so they can help you.
I don't know. He's family.
It doesn't matter who it is, Lisa. It's wrong.
You know, you guys are right.
Lisa, need help with your homework?
No, I don't.
Come on, I'll help you and then we'll go get some ice cream.
No, I don't want your help.
Lisa, don't cause problems.
No, I don't want your help. I don't want you near me. No more secrets.
What's the matter, Lisa? What happened?
No one should ever touch you in a secret way. No one. People who do these things may tell you that they will hurt you or people you love if you tell on them. Don't believe them. Tell your mom, dad, or a trusted adult, and if the first person you tell doesn't believe you, tell someone else. Remember, keep telling until someone helps you.
We sure learned a lot today.
You learned how to be safe.
And Wendell learned how to slide.
Hey, I already knew that.
Remember, you're the person who keeps you safe.
Watch this video a lot of times so you'll always know what to do.
And, of course, watch for us on TV.
I'm the star.
You are not.
Oh, I am too.
You are not.
The Be Safe video has been brought to you as a community service by Lazy Boy Furniture Galleries. If you would like a free copy of the video, please visit the Lazy Boy Furniture Galleries nearest you. Helping to keep your children safe is another way Lazy Boy helps make home everything it should be.